A cost-efficient and must-have machine in sheet metal factory or industrial fabrication. Ideal for slitting and shearing materials with a maximum thickness of 1 mm, widely used in sheet metal industries. Compact, economical, and can be placed in various locations for maximum efficiency without compromising the factory space. Portable slit and cut-to-length machine is equipped with top-tier components from Japan and Germany. They are quality controlled and trusted in over 30 countries.